This is my iPhone. This is my iPhone camera right here, okay? And I'm going to compare my iPhone camera to the Exploreone camera today. I'm gonna do some vlogging too, and you gotta first power up. You gotta hold the button. It's on now. See, now it's on. So I'm gonna compare the picture with the iPhone, like I already said. Okay. I think I've established that, because you'll notice the square, see the perimeter of that picture and then the perimeter of this picture. So I have a mirror behind the camera so I can see what's going on in the picture. "2020, the New Year's is just around the corner, and you might have some goals and some resolutions, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of encouragement to pursue them and go for it. And whatever it is, be sure that you have goals for the new year so you can have some accomplishments. The first one I suggest is, why don't you learn a craft, learn something new, learn something, and as you learn it, why don't you share it on your videos? Share what you're learning about. Sharing is caring, they say. And if you're gonna learn something new, as you go, share what you're learning. And it may be a good way to have some content that... Oh shoot, another lizard. Look at this. Lizard footage. Number 2, get a mentor. Get sponsored by somebody that knows what you're going to learn, that knows about what you want to learn, because it's better for you to have somebody in your life to show you the ropes. You could go to videos all day long and have good idea of what you're learning, but to be engaged with somebody in that sense, like if you're learning how to work on a car, find somebody that, maybe a friend, maybe a family member, that knows how to work on knows how to work with tools. Knowing how to work with tools, that you want to work on a car or whatever you're working on, you know, get somebody that knows your subject. Okay. Number 3. Let's see, how could you get people to watch your videos? Well, the first thing I suggest when you're doing video vlogging is to have fun. Your intention should be completely to have fun. Seriously. Just have fun with what you're doing, because, you know, at the end of the day, maybe some advertisers might contact you. I'm not saying that happened to me yet. And the likelihood of it happening, I'm not expecting it. I'm doing these videos for fun, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video content that I'm going to put out in 2020. I'm going to be very thoughtful about what is presented, and to you know, and maybe you will share the videos, maybe you'll watch the videos. Be sure to hit that bell so you can get notifications of when my videos are posted. I mean, there's a lot of videos that I watch on the YouTube machine. There's a lot of videos that just pop up on my algorithm, I guess they call it. I don't even know. They say that is not the algorithm is even a myth. I don't know. Look at it. It's a hummingbird. Look at it, a hummingbird landed. I never knew they landed. Look at it. It's beautiful. When I originally started doing these YouTube videos, I wanted to do a lot of vlog repairs about my Volkswagen Jetta. Which, kind of ironically, I'm not even driving my Jetta right now because it needed a clutch and I couldn't afford to get a clutch for it. And so I definitely probably will be able to get a clutch soon, but the weather sucked lately and it's been cold and raining, and that's what I mean by sucky weather. I could handle the heat, but then when the heat is hot, the mosquitoes come out and they're biting me while I'm working on the vehicle, so it's totally yeah. I intended to do some do-it-yourself videos on how to do some repairs on your Volkswagen and my Audi. I started an Audi repair video, which was kind of interesting, and a lot of people did view it, but a lot of people left comments like the thumbs down. Woo! The thumbs down is whatever. I don't get too upset about the thumbs down, but it happens, and I am gonna survive whatever it takes. But do-it-yourself videos, kind of what I've been saying is that you gotta know your, I guess it's a good segue to number 5. This is the iPhone. This is the Exploreone. Okay, moving the cameras around to make it interesting. And well, know your product, number 5, and I hope that you guys post stuff that you know about. And I've posted plenty of stuff that I wasn't really knowing about. Like, I'm going to call this segment of my video the 3 P's. Politics, personal life, and prayer. Other words, the taboo subjects. Wow. The taboo subjects that I don't know if you should do video vlogging about, unless you already got a reputation and they think that like you're super cool and they're gonna watch your ranting about your personal life, about your political views, and prayer. Prayer would be the religious views. And I do have an idea of each of those subjects. Personal life, I like to share like you know, my online dating experiences, which I'm already married, so I don't do online dating anymore. That would be totally not cool, not appropriate. And also my political views, which I love my Uncle Don, no doubt. You know, he just reminds me of my uncle, my real life uncle, which is he's gone. He passed away a couple years ago, and gosh, more than a couple years ago. Dang, time flies. And prayer. Always start your day with prayer. Pray about your day. Pray about your 2020 goals, and hopefully you could reach them and achieve them and do great things. Of course, you got to have money to live. You know, I wish I had more of it, and maybe I could live better and make better decisions, and my studio will be actually cleaned up and look nice. And well, to sum up my video blog, 2020 goals that you got to pursue is learn something new. Actually, even if you can, why don't you learn the Bible? You can see if the Bible is something that is a reliable source. And number 2, get someone in your life that can mentor you. I'm available if you live in the Los Angeles area. Contact me, and then maybe we could hang out. Maybe I could share with you a little bit of some knowledge about certain things. I know a little bit of everything. I do. And maybe the little bit that I know could help you. I know about music, I know about religion, I know a little bit about cars. And if you're interested, you can contact me. I know about video use. I've been doing videos for probably quite some time. I would say nearly 20 years, even more. I remember my first video that I did was in probably 1985. I wish I had that footage, but it got recorded over, which totally is a bummer. I think at the time it was The Last Dragon was out, so whenever The Last Dragon... Oh man, what's going on? Okay. Take time to organize your thoughts and put out good content, and you will be pretty successful at what you put out. So thanks again for watching. Share it, like it, get the notifications going on, and you will be able to have fun and get some good feedback.
Phenomenal. 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 Phenomenal.